Hey friends, if you encounter the error 0x80073d27 when installing gaming services app on your system, then please watch this video. Now I found the resolution on the Microsoft Store and a lot of users have confirmed that it works. So I will simply share three commands with you in the description section of the video. Simply copy them, search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, paste them here and hit enter. You won't even need to install gaming services app after that. It will remove the existing files with gaming services app and remove everything. And once it is done, once this is completed, then you can open the Microsoft Store and search for the gaming services app and install it on your system. Okay, and then you can install it on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.